Hello everyone. So this video is about the recent collaboration we have done with Byju's. So basically we are going to start a coaching class for competitive examinations for the examinations of IAS. So the duration of this entire IAS coaching classes will be for 20 months and it is only for male candidates. The entire course fee for this course is 37,000 rupees and the total number of seats available for this coaching program is only 100, which will be allotted first come first basis. So the last date of admission is 15 July 2020. And if you think that you are preparing for IAS classes, what you need to do, you need to come to our office, or you can even collect this application form from our online website, which is www.vidyamandira.ac.in. Or if you want to collect it from our office, you can also do that. You can see the office address here and you can collect it in working days during working hours. So basically, let me give you a brief idea about what this class is going to cover. So basically, we will provide you with classroom sessions, which will happen once a month. And basically, this will be taken by India's leading IAS trainers, in which physical doubt clearance session by Byju's executive faculty will be done. And it will be done from morning 10 AM to 6 PM at our college campus. And along with this, you will get a Byju's IAS tablet, which is basically made for the entire preparation of the aspiration. So you will get the entire content, whatever you have to study for IAS preparation in that tablet, so that you can study it at your own convenience at anywhere and any place. So it's like if you are going somewhere, it's not possible to carry 20 books, but yes, you can definitely carry a tablet. And the best part, this tablet doesn't need any kind of internet connection. So it works completely offline, right? And you will cover most of these topics, whatever you need to cover for this IAS preparation. So basically, you'll study maximum from the IAS tablet, and if you'll have doubts, you'll have classroom sessions, which you can clear your doubt. After that, you'll get mentor support, which is basically a dedicated helpline for one-on-one mentoring. So suppose you are studying anything from the tablet and you have some doubt. So you'll not have to wait for this doubt clearing session. Instead, you will have a mentor support whom you can call and discuss the doubt immediately. And there are people who are going to support you and clear your query at the same point of time. So basically, there is a particular number of time. It's not available for 24 hours. It's available for a particular working time hours. So you need to have that time, and within that time frame, if you have that problem, you can get that access and you can solve your problem as well. Along with this, you will get study materials, which will cover the entire coverage of syllabus, which includes M. Lakshmikant, India's Ancient Past by R.S. Sharma, History of Modern India by Bipin Chandra, Ethics, Integrity and Aptitude by P.N. Roy, etc. Along with all the study material, you will get current affairs webinars twice a week. But the good point about this webinar is that it's a live webinar, right? And here you will get to discuss all the current affairs that has happened within that week, and it is followed by the revision notes. That means all the previous current affairs webinars, you will get access to all of that as well. So if you want to access all of that, you will get the student portal through which you can access all the pre-recorded sessions of the webinar, issues in news, current affairs magazine, and gist of Yojana and practice sets as well, right? So this is how you will cover the dynamic part, and this is how you will cover the static part through the IAS tablet. And along with all of these, to cover the theoretical part, you will get 20 sets of book, which is not available in the market. That is only exclusive for the Byju's students. That will help you to make your base strong enough in order to grab all of these things, right? So this is just an overview for all of these things. If you are preparing for IAS examination, I'll definitely tell you to look forward for this admission form. Or if you have any kind of query, you can see both of these numbers are given here. It's like these are both of our coordinators. So first one is Ramkrishna Mandal. His number is 9830171848, and the second person is Mr. Ganesh Kumar. His number is 7488220893. So if you have any problem or any query regarding to this entire thing, make sure that you are connecting to any of these numbers. They'll definitely help you out. And yes, if you are looking forward to cracking your IAS examinations this time, you should definitely look forward for this examination and this coaching class. This is all for my part. Thank you so much for watching this video.